Hello, in this JavaScript video, I'm going to show you the function constructor. So don't mistake this for a constructor that you can have in a class. This is, something different. So this is similar to an anonymous function or an arrow function. And what you can do is we'll just modify this. So instead of having it at this format, I'll actually just copy it so you can see the difference. I'll call this epic var2, for example. And instead of doing, this, you would do new function keyword. So you don't actually name it. Again, it's still assigned to a variable. And instead of having all of this, I'll just get rid of it for now. What you do is open, close, regular brackets, put a semicolon, and here you pass in your function body. So, any code that you would put between curly braces, and any arguments. First, you put in arguments. You can put as many as you want. The last parameter passed in, whether it's one parameter or whether it's 5 parameters, then it will be the fifth one, is the actual function body. So to do the function body, put quotation marks in the function body itself. So console.log, and I'm just going to put hello world. Save that, run it. And obviously I'll say hello world. I'll print a function constructor instead so we can see the difference. And if I do epic var2 and I run it, there we go. Let's see what we get. We get function constructor. So this works just the same way as well. So if you want to pass in parameters, you pass them in beforehand. So let's say if I want to pass in x and y, and in here, maybe I multiply them together. I'm using single quotation marks instead of double here, because they would conflict with these double and they will start opening and closing. Just make sure if you're using single, use double here, and vice versa. So instead, if I were to do x multiplied by y, so this isn't actually a string necessarily, this is the code that we want to run. So I'll run it. X is not defined. I have not passed any values in yet. Still not defined. My bad. I need to enclose these in quotation marks as well. Now if I run it, there we go. We get x times y. It's because they're in single quotation marks, so that's detecting as a string with inside that. There we go, we get 30. So that's the function constructor, and that's another way of writing functions as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.